What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video, I'll show you how to draw and color Nightmare Cuphead. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page and draw the front edge of the cup. We'll start all the way over on the left side. We're going to draw a curve that comes down in the middle and we'll bend that back up towards the right. Now from here, we're going to place a straw on top of the head. On the left side, let's step in, draw a straight angle line going up towards the left, and we'll draw a straight line going out towards the end. Let's round out the end of the straw, curving this out and back up. Now we're going to draw another straight line coming in, and we'll follow the same angled line coming down and in behind the cup. Let's add two thick stripes inside the straw. We're going to start from the top, so round this out, come down, step in, draw that same curve. Let's add one more stripe across the bottom, starting up here, curving this up and then out, step down and draw that again. Now you want to wrap the cup in behind the straw. Let's start back over on the left, just going to round out the end, just pull that in behind the straw. Let's move over towards the right, curve the top of the cup going across, bend that down, and then round out the end. Now let's draw the back side of the cup. On the left, we're going to step out, curve this up, in behind the straw. Now we're just going to follow that same curve going all the way across, and then bring that back down on the right. Let's connect the ends with a half circle, starting back over on the left, come down towards the bottom, and we'll just round that out, go across, and then pull that back up towards the right side. Now with the cup in place, we're going to place the handle over on the left side. Let's start from this top corner, curve this around, come down, just bend that back in towards the side of the cup. Let's trace the handle along the inside. Stepping down, it's going to follow that same curve going all the way around. Now from here, we're going to place the eyes inside the cup. Leaving a small gap in the center, let's step over towards the left, curve the eye going up, and we'll bend that out towards the left, move over towards the right, and draw that same curve going in the opposite direction. Now we're going to go back to the left side, we're going to draw the bottom of the eye, coming down, round out the eye, and pull that back up. Let's go to the top right. We're going to curve this down. I'm just going to bend this in. We're going to add a scar along the bottom. And just taper that back up. And connect the inside to the bottom with a curve. Going down and then up. Now with the head in place, we're going to move down and draw on the side of the body. Let's move over towards the left side, just underneath the head. Curve the body going out and then down towards the hip. Move over towards the right. And draw the same thing coming down towards the same height. Let's connect the hips with a curve, going up and then back down. Let's move to the center, step down and add a curve, going up and then down. Then leaving a small gap in the center, go to the left side, angle this down and out towards the bottom of the shorts, go to the right, and do the same thing. Now I'm going to round out the bottom of the shorts, starting back on the left, curve this out and bend that up towards the side. And we'll connect the hip to the bottom of the shorts with a straight line. Let's tuck the legs in underneath the shorts. From the inside, we're going to step out, draw a short angle line coming down on both sides. And we'll step out and do that again. And then we'll overlap the cuff on top of the leg. On the left, step out, curve this up, and then down. And then from the ends, draw two straight angle lines coming down toward the bottom of the cuff. And we'll close off the bottom with that same curve. From the inside of the cuff, let's curve the heel, coming in and then down towards the bottom of the foot. And then we'll round out the bottom of the feet. Starting from the left heel, curve the foot, coming down, and we'll bend that up. From the outside of the foot, we're going to draw a half circle going all the way up toward the top. I'm just going to bend that in towards the bottom corner of the cuff. And then we'll add that thick sole on the bottom. We're going to take this curve, step up, and just trace that across on both sides. Now with the body in place, let's move back up and draw on the left arm holding the mic. From the top of the body, let's step up underneath the head, curve the arm coming down, and then we'll bend that out towards the wrist. Let's round up the wrist, coming in and then down, and I'll follow that same curve going back up underneath the body. Let's round out the cuff, going around like a bracket on both sides. Close off the end with another curve. Let's go back to the top of the cuff and draw on the thumb. The curve is up, then the thumb coming down, round out the thumb, and then pull that back up. Let's stack 3 fingers in behind the thumb. Starting from the top, just going to draw a half oval, going out, and then back in, come down to the bottom, draw that again, going up underneath the thumb, and then we'll do that one more time. Now from the bottom of the cuff, we're just going to draw the palm coming down and then out in behind the finger. Now that we have the hand in place, we're going to draw the mic in behind. Let's start at the bottom, draw 2 straight angle lines coming down, connect the ends with the curve. Let's go up to the top and draw in a circle. Starting from the top of the finger, go all the way around, and draw a circle. Pull that back in on top of the thumb. Now you want to draw the right arm pointing out towards the side. Let's start underneath the head, curve the arm going up, and then out towards the wrist. Step down, draw that same curve, going out. Connect the ends with the curve for the cuff. Let's round up the top, coming down, and up, and then again, connecting the ends with another curve. Let's go back up to the top of the cuff and draw the palm going up and out towards the thumb. Bend the thumb coming up and in. Round out the thumb and then pull that back down. Let's point the first finger going out towards the side. We're going to go up in an angle, round out the finger, and then pull that back in. And then we'll stack 2 fingers underneath, starting up here. Draw an oval, going all the way around, and just tucking that up underneath the finger. Come down to the left side and draw that again. Pull that up underneath. Now going back to the inside of the palm, curve this down and then up in behind the finger. Let's add that effect on the left side of the head in behind. Starting from the top of the handle, just going to wrap this around, bend that in, come down, and then back up. Let's add another curve, coming down and up, then this out. Now we come around and out, and then back in behind the straw. Let's move over towards the side, draw another curve going up and out, and down and out, and then we'll make our way in and then down towards the bottom. Let's add one more piece along the top. Curve, bend the top, and bring that back down towards the bottom. Now that we completed our drawing, I'll show you how to color this in. Let's start with our bright pink and fill in the inside of the cup, going around the straw. And we use that same color inside the eyes. Now we're going to grab our red and fill those stripes inside the straw, starting along the top. Now use a slightly darker pink and fill that effect around the head and straw. Now we want to move back to our pink and just trace out the outside of the body. Now once we finish tracing out the body, we'll go back and fill in the entire head with this black. Now we'll fill in the body going around those pink lines. And we'll finish off by adding a small shadow across the bottom of the straw. And that's pretty much it. That's how we draw and color Nightmare Cuphead. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching and I'll see you again soon.